Hello DIY Glamettes, welcome back to Glam Queen of DIY, and if you're new here, welcome. Today's video is 3 glam DIYs using mirror mosaic tile. If that sounds interesting, make sure you stay tuned. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications. Alright Glamettes, let's get this DIY project started. Alright Glamettes, this first DIY I'm going to be taking this vase, this gold mirror cow spray paint, Dollar Tree gem, and this mirrored mosaic tile. We're going to paint these pieces first, you guys. Now that my pieces is painted, you guys, I'm going to be including in my description, I will be featuring BB Craft, Bead Park, and Total Dazzle in all of my upcoming videos. So make sure you check that link and hit those links. It don't cost you any extra. To order from the links, you'll receive a small discount and I'll receive coins. So please click on those links. Now, let's finish these DIY projects. And you guys, these projects I am bringing you are very simple and very easy projects to recreate. Drop me a comment when you see a project that you think you will create. Leave me that information in the comment section. And two, family, don't forget, if you would like to participate in a collaboration with me, please make sure you send me an email to GlamQueenofDIY. Title that email YT2022 collab, and I'll be responding back to everyone, you guys, in this next upcoming week. Thank you so much for all of the emails for participation. And please don't forget, family, to make sure you share the channel with your family and friends. We've just hit that 20K milestone. Thank you guys so very much. This would not be possible without each and every one of you. Now we're on that road to 30K, you guys. You heard me right. We're trying to hit that 30K, and I know with the help of all of you, we can hit that very quickly and easy. So once again, thank you so much for the love and support, and let's get this channel to 30K very soon. And to you guys, don't forget to subscribe to all of our channel. That's the Glam Queen of DIY, the Glam Queen of Decor, Glam Queen Unboxing, Glam Queen Vlogs, and Fit for a Queen. All the links are down in the description box.
Waste of words, waste of breath, 'cause I've got none to say. Thoughts they burn inside my chest, can't take it one more day. No matter how much pain I'm in, no matter how, gotta think, I gotta breathe. Changes to come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. Life must go on. What won't kill me will make me stronger. When I'm falling down on my knees, I will rise and try to believe that changes will come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. There's ways to go, ways to leave. Been thinking about them all. 'Cause life's too hard, life's too mean. But I can't just jump and fall. No matter how much pain I'm in, I won't back down. Gotta think, can't give in. Changes will come, 'cause the light's just around that corner. Life must go on. What won't kill me will make me stronger. When I'm falling down on my knees, I will rise and try to believe that changes will come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. Waste of words, waste of breath, 'cause I've got none to say. Thoughts stay burned inside my chest. Can take it one more day. No matter how much pain I'm in, no matter how, gotta think, I gotta breathe. Changes do come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. Life must go on. What won't kill me will make me stronger. When I'm falling down on my knees, I will rise and try to believe that changes will come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. There's ways to go, ways to leave. Been thinking about them all. 'Cause life's too hard, life's too mean. But I can't just jump and fall. No matter how much pain I'm in, I won't back down. Gotta think, can't give in. Changes will come, 'cause the light's just around that corner. Life must go on. What won't kill me will make me stronger. When I'm falling down on my knees, I will rise and
And to my royal family, I hope you have been enjoying this song that I have been including in my videos. Change will come. And part of the lyrics in this song is, what doesn't kill you will make you stronger, because change will come. You guys, I'm hoping this music is actually giving you an inspiration, because I know myself personally, it has been my lifeline here lately. And I just hope that you are blessed by this song as well as I am. I have got some of y'all replies, and you will be hearing it for a while, you guys, because it is something that I need right now. And I'm hoping that the inspiration it gives you the hope, and knowing that no matter what comes, God will still bring us through it. If He brings us to it, He has the ability to bring you through it. I want to tell you today, you are stronger than you realize. Don't count yourself out, because change is coming, and you will survive what you've been going through. And drop me a comment, you guys, which DIY was your favorite. And as we're bringing these DIYs to a close, make sure you do check out Glam Queen of Decor, Glam Queen Unboxing, Glam Queen Vlogs, and Fit for a Queen. Now, if you haven't subscribed to this DIY channel, please make sure you do. So hit that subscribe button and follow Glam Queen of DIY. Share the channel with your family and friends. And thank you once again for that 20K followers. And we're on the road to that 30K. Now, if you've been rocking with me for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive, so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed, and always stay positive. Don't you forget, change will come, but change is your friend.